Welcome to another unboxing. Yes, episode 2 of What's in the Box. No, I covered up the addresses and everything here, but I did want to show how cool it looked. Hazmat surface. Oh my gosh. Logan, Red Bandana. If you guys don't know, Red Bandana, good friend of mine, likes to send me treats every once in a while. So I'm super hyped to see what's in the box. Without further ado, let's open up all the goodies. Yes! Yes! Oh, I forgot about the plushie. Oh yeah! You know what? I might hang this up in my car. Gosh, I love it. Let's open it up. Red Bandana was over at his, I don't know which store he was at, but he sent me a whole bunch of Splatoon items they had. I was like, please get me one. This is great. I flippin' love this. So, more Splatoon stuff. I didn't even know that they made these, but look at this. It's just a 0.50 gallon, I believe. Oh, the 0.596. And then, what else did I get? Gosh, I can't remember the name of this one, but man, I've cleaned up with the Gatling, dude. Guys, let's open this up. Like something like this, I don't need to keep the box, but I'm really curious on the detail. Okay, they come with a stand and everything. Man, this makes me want to go play some more Splatoon, man. So look at that. They have their own stands and everything. How does this work here? Oh, that's cool. Look at that. How does it go on the stand? Wait a minute. Did they really include a piece of gum in here? Really? I will attempt and put it in my mouth. Hang on here. Not gonna lie. It's perfectly good gum. Still has a flavor. Oh yeah, looks good. They don't give you instructions on what piece goes where. So I'm looking like on the box here. My best guess is looking at the inserts on the bottom here. Kind of just winging it, guys. Something like that. All right, let's go to the next one. Oh yay, more gum. Actually, it's legit. It's still fresh too. All the little detail and everything in these. This looks great. I'm impressed. And they were $6.85. Absolutely. Totally worth it. Totally worth it. I should have bought the whole collection of them. These though, I'm not a fan of these. Yeah. Come on. That fit really well. I am going to have to fix the Gatling though. Because the Gatling one, yeah, something's going between. Yeah, something isn't right here, but I'll worry about that later. But boy, these are great. These are really great. Really impressive detail. Okay, so on to the next goodie. This is crazy. This thing is. When he told me he was sending me this, if you haven't checked it out, he mentioned he was going to send me one of these controllers, these Fly Digis, on our podcast, and he showed me this controller, and I was like, he's like, I'm not going to use it, so if you're going to use it, I'm like, oh yeah. Look at how, oh man, it came with everything in the box. Awesome. Always could use extra USB-Cs. Cool, they have the instructions. Thank you. Is that a real autograph? Absolutely not, it's not. It's still cool to have. All the instructions. And then this flipping gem. Look at this thing. Look at it. Oh man. It's got the triggers on the back. Anything in here? Got the adapter for the computer. Oh wow. Feels really, ooh, that's tight. These triggers down here. You hear that? Really, really tight. I like that a lot. D-pad feels really good. Oh, this is gonna be great. I'm gonna have to mess around with this sooner than later. Probably could use a good charger upper. Oh, look at the colors. Love the little LEDs. Here, we'll shut this off. So you see the LEDs a little bit better, kind of, sort of. Yeah, man. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. So thankful and grateful for this. Definitely going to be rocking this Vader 3 Pro. Feels really, really good. Lighter than I thought, but these triggers on the end are fantastic. Absolutely. Such a generous gift. Gosh, this is awesome. I'm going to play with this more, but we still have one more item to go. I'm going to set this bad boy aside. QRD Stellar T5 wireless Joy-Cons for the Switch and Switch OLED. These things look so awesome. Let's take a look at these bad boys. So I have, let me show you, I have just the OG Switch. And I had to buy an extra, controller piece that goes across the whole thing and has, extends out the grips and everything, because, my hands are not, they're kind of big. And so I cramp up just playing it like this. I'm hoping that this fixes it. Let's see what else we have. Little instructions. Pretty basic, simple box. These things, boy, oh man. Already, right off the bat, you have triggers in the back. Right off the bat, way more comfortable. Look at, I love the see-through here on these. Let's load these bad boys up onto my Switch and check these things out. So here are these bad boys, and they got the cool little LEDs on the sticks. These triggers, super, oh man, it's like super quick and tight. We have triggers on the back. This is night and day. Like I could, these are going to be my go-to Joy-Cons, especially when I go and I travel. Like this is it. These are trash compared to this. And you can change the colors. Green, you can hear the, it's being stubborn. Here we go. So you hold down the T and then you just cycle through colors this way. Oh yeah, I love that pink. Can we get what else can we get here? Orange. What other color here? Pink and purple. We have like a rainbow-esque kind of color. Red. Oh, that red looks good. These colors look really good. We should have a portal theme. Let's get some blue. Where are you, blue? Got a little portal theme going here. Oh my gosh. Such a generous, great gift. And these just feel great. So awesome. I couldn't be more appreciative and thankful of these very, very generous gifts that I was bestowed upon by the man himself, Red Bandana Gaming. So generous, and I couldn't be so grateful and thankful. Let's kind of load up what we have here all together. Look at that. Is that not gifts in a box or what? What can I tell you? This is just great. It just makes me so happy that there are people out there that are so generous, and just know that I appreciate this very much, and this is all going to get used. So that's that, ladies and gentlemen. Super excited. Can't wait to display these bad boys. I'm gonna find a place for this in my car for sure. This has got to hang around. But hey, thanks again for watching, and that was What's in the Box, episode 2. Is there going to be an episode 3? I mean, I don't know. But I'll catch you guys on another video. Appreciate you.